want to just walk around the block with her while you order them, okay?
You mean go and get them?
And we'll go and get them, yeah.
We will go and get them.
So here's another one. Last time I, unfortunately, yeah, I got it. Yes. Last time, unfortunately, I guess I wasn't recording on the camera. So here's take 2 of the mic.
A lot of things I gotta do.
Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Turn this up. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. That's amore. Wait. When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the dancers just sing with a cloud at your feet, that's amore. This really doesn't sound right. It's probably out of tune. That's amore. When the crowd at your feet, with the cloud at your feet, you're in love.